In this video, I will guide you on how to insert and use a micro SD memory card on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This should also work out for the Samsung Galaxy S26 as well. So like you already know, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra does not have a micro SD memory card slot for you to be able to insert your micro SD card. And if I go ahead and open up the SIM card tray at the bottom, just like so, you're going to find out that we only have two SIM card slots, that is for SIM 1 at the top over here and then the slot for SIM 2 at the bottom. But there is no slot for us to be able to insert our micro SD memory card, and this is actually very ridiculous because some users might want to increase the storage of their device and Samsung is not making provision for that. That notwithstanding, if you still want to be able to use your micro SD memory card like this one, a solution is for you to basically get a Type-C to a micro SD card adapter like this one. So this is actually a Type-C output and then it takes in a micro SD card over here. You can as well go ahead and get something as small as this as well. So this one over here has a Type-C output which you can actually connect to your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and then you can also go ahead and insert your micro SD card directly into the micro SD card slot. But for this video, I'll be using this one over here because it has a direct micro SD card slot, and I can just go ahead and insert my micro SD card into this slot over here, just like so. Keep in mind, any adapter that has a Type-C to micro SD card will work perfectly for this. And if you just connect the USB Type-C to your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and then swipe down through the control center at the left hand side, you can see that a USB storage has been added. You can go ahead and open it up directly from here or just go over to the Files app from over here and you should be able to find your micro SD memory card from over here. At this point, whether you want to expand your storage or move some files into your micro SD memory card, you can as well just do that by going over to your internal storage or just select your photos or videos. In this case, I'm just going to mark some photos I want to send to my micro SD card, and I can go ahead and just move them by tapping on move over here, select the USB storage, which is basically my micro SD memory card, then select where I want to put it on this SD card. In my case, I'll go ahead and move it to pictures from over here, tap on the move here option, and automatically once the transfer is completed, you can go back to your phone's main storage, and then if you go over to your micro SD memory card from over here and then to pictures, you should be able to find all of the photos, videos or files that were moved into your micro SD memory card from over here. And I hope this was helpful, guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.